IoT systems deployment in intelligent factory. In the IoT era, industrial automation has gradually become sufficiently reliable to serve as an effective part of the production process. With Advantech IoT system solutions, the production line can be automated with robotic machine control, as well as visual inspection, and support data visualization through our software service. In automobile assembly lines, multi-axis AOI movement is essential to provide the automobile manufacturer with a multi-axis AOI. Advantech offers embedded system ARC 3520 with multi-axis robots and machine vision solution to enhance productivity. Multiple I/O expansion are available for various device connections. Also, the integrated software services can help collecting data and with remote monitoring. High throughput and quality are always demanding in semiconductors. Advantech offers embedded system ARC 3405 integrated with frame grabbers and motion cards to accomplish high precision, high productivity IC packaging inspection. It features flexible data storage and safety certifications for 24/7 reliability. Also, its unique single bezel design enables easy in-cabinet integration. Talking about how to improve product quality in the production line. This customer is a supplier of hot runner systems for injection molding equipment, and they wish to leverage IoT technology to enhance their monitoring and control over molding processes. They used Advantech's Edge Intelligence Server to render an IoT solution that adds both equipment and environment sensors in order to implement well-rounded monitoring and more intelligent control over molding temperatures, speeds, and times, in order to implement intelligent manufacturing. Want to see more solutions for intelligent factory? Visit our website now.